minus 8. So the slope of that line is negative 7/3. Okay, so those are not the same, which means they're not parallel, and they're not opposite reciprocals because they're both negative for one thing. So they are neither. They are neither parallel nor perpendicular. All right. All right. So let's see. Find an equation of a line that passes through the point 0, 5 and is perpendicular to the line y equals 1/3 x plus 4. Okay, so here's my x1, y1, and then my slope is 1/3. And then I'm going to use my point slope formula. All right, so y minus 5 equals 1/3 times x minus 0. So x minus 0 is just x. So basically it's going to be y minus 5 equals 1/3 x, and then just add 5 to both sides. So y equals 1/3 x plus 5. Okay, and then number 23, we're looking for an equation of the line that passes through the point -1, 2 and is parallel to y equals -2x minus 10. Okay. So we have x1, y1, and then the slope is negative. Oh, I just realized I totally messed up the last problem. Sorry, I must be a little bit tired. All right. Let's just go back and fix that. Okay. Let's see here. So the slope of this line is 1/3, but the slope of the perpendicular line would be -3. Okay. So y, all right, so y minus 5 equals -3 times x minus 0. So well, I guess I didn't have to really cross that out. It's almost the same, just the wrong slope. All right. So y equals -3x plus 5. All right. Okay, back to this. Okay, so this one is parallel, so this one is the same slope. This one will be m equals -2. All right, so okay, so y minus 2 equals -2 times x minus -1. So x minus -1 turns into x plus 1. Then I will distribute the -2. So that makes it y minus 2 equals -2x minus 2. And then I will add 2 to both sides. And that would give me y equals negative 2x. Okay. Find the equation of the line that is graphed. Alright, let's see. First I would look for the y-intercept wherever it crosses the y-axis. So that's negative 1. So b is negative 1. And we're going to look for the slope. And I just, I made this picture using Word, so it's not the most perfect graph ever, but let's find another point that we can identify on the graph. Again, I know it's not perfect, but let's just say this guy right here. And then let's count it out from left to right. So I would have to go from this point to this point. I would go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1, 2, 3. So I went up 4 and over 3. So that's my slope. So y equals 4/3 x minus 1. And then number 25 is a vertical line, so the equation is going to be x equals negative 1. All right, that's it.